Hello everyone, this is Karen Elaine, and I have been obsessed for years making these little blizzard books. These books were designed by Hedi Kyle, the folding process, and she even has some really amazing covers. And I've had different cover variations over the years, but I've come up with a cover that's pretty easy to make. And these little books, depending on the size, these are just the cutest little things. You can size them to hold artist trading cards or different things and little photos. But this one I decided I wanted to do a little flip through of this one because I'm calling this my pocket cheerleader because it's holding little affirmations, and I can decide which one I want to pull, or if I don't know which one, it'd be a surprise. But these are little watercolor swatches that have been cut out, and then I did the little drawing over it with a pen, and then these little affirmations were put on last. And I'm almost finished with this. I've got 4 more little cards to finish, but they're little insert cards that go into the little pockets. Isn't that cute? And I'm using, just kind of doing some positive affirmations, and this can fit in my pocket, in my purse, and whenever I need a little boost, I can do that. I can just kind of look at it, and making these gives me so much joy. I love making things tiny. I've been making tiny things for many years, but as I've gotten older, my really tiny folding is down. This is about as small as I can go now. But I've made even smaller blizzard books than this. The one I did for Carol Duvall is even a little smaller than this, and that one I turned into a necklace. And it was the first thing that Carol saw when she saw my stuff at a show, samples of things made at a show, and she saw this little book, and she fell in love with it. And that was sort of the start of the relationship between me and Carol, and the whole adventure of being on TV with her. I think I might have been on like 25, 30 times, but this blizzard book was the very first project that I did with her, and it was the start of a very sweet and amazing adventure with her. Now, this is as far as I got. I haven't done the last 4 pages, but I plan to finish that. And so this basically has been a work in progress for many years, and this little book connects. It's actually just tucks into these little pockets of the cover. And then I put on this, because it's such a fat book, I put on this belly band to really hold it. Okay, I'm going to be showing this in a full-length tutorial on my Patreon page. I'm going to also be releasing the how-tos and segments here on YouTube. But for an in-depth tutorial on how to make this from start to finish, including the swatches and including everything, please think about becoming a member of my Patreon. It's been wonderful going into Patreon and having a little bit deeper connection. So I hope that you can join me over at Patreon to get the full in-depth tutorial on how to make this. And if you want to join, I do have a link in the description below, and I also have, it should be here on the screen. And anyone who's a member of my YouTube channel, you will also get a tutorial as well. So if you're already a member of YouTube, watch for this, it's coming. And if you want to head on to Patreon, that will be even deeper just a little deeper dive. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you have a wonderful creative day. Take care.